Open the piano and let's play Worthy is the Lamb by Hillsong Worship. For our verse, we have a few basic chords. We have our C chord, C, E, G, left hand thumb C is a C chord. And then we have an F chord, F, A, C, move up to F, A, C, finger 5, you can activate your F on left hand. This is our F chord. And then we have a G chord, whole hand move up to G, G, B, D, finger 4 on G. And then we have an A minor as well, A, C, E, left hand, finger 3, A minor. This is our A minor. And we also do have our D minor, and we're going to move down all the way to D, F, A. You can choose to stretch your thumb up a little bit to up D, and this is how our D minor sounds like. Okay, so for the playing pattern for our verse, it is always a bow, right, right, right for a full bar. And so in my chord sheet, some of the chords I've indicated as half, and for half pattern is going to be a both and a right. A full bar is going to be a both, right, right, and right. Okay, we're going to start with our verse, half bar of C, thank you for the 1 bar of F, cross, C chord, Lord, thank you for the half bar of F, price, half bar of G, you, C chord, paid, bearing all my, A minor, sin and shame, half bar of G, in love, you, half bar of F, came, and half bar of D minor, gave a, half bar of C, amazing, half bar of G, grace. Okay, let's do our verse 1 smoothly. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go.
Thank you for the cross, Lord. Thank you for the price you paid, bearing all my sin and shame. In love you came and gave amazing grace.
Let's start with verse 2, half bar of C, thank you for this, 1 bar of F, love, Lord, C chord, thank you for the half bar of F, nail, half bar of G, pierce, hands, C chord, wash me in your A minor, cleansing flow, half bar of G, now all I, half bar of F, no, half bar of D minor, your forgiveness, and half bar of C, M, half 1 bar of G, embrace. Let's do verse 2. Ready, smoothly, 1, 2, 3, go.
Thank you for this love, Lord. Thank you for the nail pierced hands. Wash me in your cleansing flow. Now all I know, your forgiveness and embrace.
For our chorus, we have a slight change of chords. We still have the basic C, G, F, and D minor. Okay, but for the second line, you realize that I have a G, half bar, and then there's a G slash F. Now the G slash F meaning on the right hand, you're going to play a G chord, and for our left hand, you're going to add a F note. Instead of a G note, which is our usual, you're going to add an F note. Okay, so this creates the a more complex sounding to your piano playing. So this is how a G chord sounds like, and this is how a G slash F sounds like. Okay, which is suitable for this song. Okay, so we're gonna move on to our chorus. C chord, worthy is the Lamb, G chord, half a bar of D minor, seated on, half a bar of C, the F chord, throne, half a bar of G, crown you, G on F, your right hand remain, left hand just move down to F note. Now with half a bar of C, many crowns, half a bar of F, U, D, half a bar of D minor, rain, Victor, half a bar of C, re, yes, 1 bar of G. Then we repeat exactly the same. 1 bar of C, high and lifted up, G chord, half a bar of D, Jesus, half a bar of C, Son of, 1 bar of F, God. The G chord, half bar, darling of, G on F, heaven, crew, half a bar of C, C, 1 bar of F, 5, 1 bar of G, worthy is the, half a bar of D minor and a half a bar of C, half a bar of D minor, worthy is the Lamb, half a bar of C, 1 bar of F. Worthy is the, half a bar of D minor, Lamb, half a bar of C, 1 bar of G. Now let's play the chorus smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Worthy is the Lamb seated on the throne. Crown you now with many crowns. You reign victorious, high and lifted up, Jesus, Son of God, the darling of heaven, crucified. Worthy is the Lamb, worthy is the Lamb.
And then if you want to end the song, we just need to have a half bar of D minor, half bar of C, half bar of F, 1 bar of F, half a bar of D minor, half a bar of C, and G, 1 bar. Worthy is the Lamb. Okay, so that's for the ending. So now let's jam the full song together. We're going to go from verse 1, verse 2 to chorus, back to verse 1, verse 2, chorus to the ending. Now this song actually doesn't start on beat number 1. It starts on beat number 3. Meaning I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then you're coming on the C, half a bar. Okay, so the word thank you, thank is coming on the beat number 3. 1, 2. Thank you for the. Okay, so ready? I'm going to give you 1.5 bar count in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, go.
Thank you for the cross, Lord. Thank you for the price you paid, bearing all my sin, my shame. In love you came and gave amazing grace. Thank you for this love, Lord. Thank you for the nail-pierced hands. Wash me in your cleansing flood. Now all I know, your forgiveness and embrace.
Chorus and we go.
Worthy is the Lamb seated on the throne. Crown you now with many crowns. You reign victorious, high and lifted up, Jesus, Son of God, the darling of heaven, crucified. Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb.
We're gonna go back to verse 1, skip the C, go straight to F.
Thank you for the cross, Lord. Thank you for the price you paid, bearing all my sin, my shame. In love you came and gave amazing grace. Thank you for this love, Lord. Thank you for the nail-pierced hands. Wash me in your cleansing flow. Now all I know, your forgiveness and embrace.
Chorus and we go.
Worthy is the Lamb, seated on the throne. Crown you now with many crowns. You reign victorious, high and lifted up. Jesus, Son of God, the darling of heaven, crucified. Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb.
Ending, D minor again.
Worthy is the Lamb.
Last line.
Worthy is the Lamb.
And on C. I hope you had a good time learning and jamming to this song. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial video. Now do drop a comment below on the songs you would like to learn, and I will do my best to do a tutorial for it. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.